We are so pumped to share a significant development that highlights our innovative drone solutions and the role they're playing in revolutionizing healthcare logistics. We have been selected and completed the initial flight tests of a proof-of-concept drone delivery project for Mass General Brigham in the greater Boston metro area. This project is focused on demonstrating how Draganfly's advanced drone technology can address logistical challenges in healthcare by ensuring timely delivery of essential medical supplies and laboratory samples, especially in situations impacted by traffic congestion or traditional delivery delays. The initial test flights were successfully conducted with takeoff and landing within hospital infrastructure, as well as a series of route evaluations and safety assessments. These test flights are intended to pave the way for a reliable, efficient delivery system for home hospital care. This marks a critical step forward for how drone deliveries can transform the logistics of healthcare systems. This initiative by Mass General Brigham aims to revolutionize how healthcare providers manage these logistics by enabling faster, more reliable delivery of essential supplies that directly benefit patients and healthcare providers alike. Draganfly, backed by the experience of being the world's oldest commercial drone manufacturer, is committed to innovation in healthcare logistics by creating scalable, efficient drone solutions that align with the growing needs of the medical sector. Through the power of innovation and drone technology, we are helping redefine how critical supplies and services are delivered, improving access to essential resources when and where they're needed most, saving time, money, and lives.